Well, this is the aftermath of Hurricane Nate. We got some big trees that held their own. Got a mess. You know, the cottage did pretty good. I just checked on the boat back there and we're alright with the boat. Ella the dog over there. Running off of generator power. But we've got everything we need. Mom poking her head out the door. She spent the night with us last night. But everything looks pretty good in the backyard. The generator kicked on by itself last night and did what it's supposed to do. So kept us comfortable. Good thing we had it. So we got, and we'll come around to the front of the house here. And we got this big fine oak tree that protected our house.